Just got my new D4 scooter from RoadRunner Scooters. It's time to open this baby up. All right. The D4 4.0 comes with an owner's manual, multi-tool, battery charger, fender, and steering damper. Let me just bring these up here. They lock. These components around the steering column are shipped loose, so they won't break. Gotta tighten them up before I ride. Got your keys right here. Now we're ready to put the fender on. Tire pressure is very important. Right here, you can see we have to fill it up to 50 psi. This steering damper needs to be installed. It's going to prevent speed wobbles at high speeds, which make for a much safer ride. Directions are also available on the RoadRunner website. The battery needs 9 to 10 hours to charge, 4 to 5 if you bought the extra charger. Now you're ready to ride on.
The fast life, the fast living. They see the ambition, they know I'm past driven. Look, we are not the same, this is not a game.